We had earlier and heavier rains than expected. Naturally frustrating, but we did manage to get 4 holes completed of that planned 10-hole program. And I think certainly those initial results that we've released today certainly show that it was worthwhile pushing ahead with this program. And we have the potential now to increase the footprint of the silver mineralisation.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Richard Belcher, the Managing Director of Tertiary Minerals. Richard, very good to speak with you. The Phase 3 drilling at Target A1 has shown visible copper and strong silver values. How significant are these early results in confirming the potential scale of the Mushima North Project?
Yes, no, these are fantastic results for us. 95 meters at 0.41% copper from only 10 meters near the surface. These are our best results so far from the portable XRF. This is only for copper. Still waiting for the silver results. That's going to come back with the laboratory analysis. So really excited with these initial results. Great to see a lot of visible copper mineralization within the chips from the drilling, and looking forward to the assay results when they come available.
Richard, you mentioned a JORC exploration targets now being prepared. When do you expect to publish that, and what could it mean in terms of defining a maiden resource?
Yes, so part of our strategy has really been to aggressively advance this project as quickly as we can, and I think we've created some great momentum around this project this year. And we've seen that in bringing some of this drilling before the rains and trying to get some additional drill holes done, and that's been well supported by our shareholders. Uh, our plan now is to start on this exploration target that was originally planned to be done a little bit later. We're now going to bring that forward and undertake that now over the rainy season. This is going to give us a range of tons and grades and really provide some invaluable insight and guidance on the potential of this project. And that's certainly the next step towards this goal of achieving a maiden resource sometime in 2026. So lots of momentum still with this project, and it's exciting to see where it's going to go.
Richard, you mentioned the rainy season. Of course, those rains forced an early pause in drilling. How much progress was made before that, and how confident are you that the results so far justify expanding the next campaign?
Yes, so we had earlier and heavier rains than expected. Naturally frustrating, but we did manage to get 4 holes completed of that planned 10-hole program. And I think certainly those initial results that we've released today certainly show that it was worthwhile pushing ahead with this program. And we have the potential now to increase the footprint of the silver mineralisation. It's already 450 by 400 meters, and these additional copper grades support those grades that we were seeing from the last drill program. So really supportive, and I think it's been a great program to undertake.
Richard, looking at towards the end of the year and into 2026, what are the key milestones investors should watch out for, both at Mushima North, but also across your wider Zambian portfolio?
Yeah, so as I said, we've got plenty of momentum now going with Mushima North. We're going to have the assay results coming out from this drilling. Those samples are now be heading to the lab once the teams are back from the field. We've already started to undertake some additional mineralogical work that's ongoing as we speak. We are bringing forward and starting now this exploration target. That's going to provide a great milestone for the project. And also, in the rainy season, this is the time when companies discuss projects with other companies. This is normally when all the joint ventures are done. So we're going to be actively looking to try and identify potential joint ventures for our portfolio of projects so we can advance more projects simultaneously into 2026.
Richard, I hope you'll keep us updated on your progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thanks very much.
Richard Belcher, Managing Director of Tertiary Minerals.